Hello everyone, Samit here from creativetradingsystems.com. Making this video about trades taken Monday and Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Today is Tuesday evening, almost 11:55 p.m. So let's get it started. And I also want to show that the classic application of my system between the 40-minute chart and the 7-minute chart, the setup on a 40 and entry on from the 7. And what happened today? So I'm going to show it how systematic is it, right? So let's take a look at the trades taken Monday, 23rd October, 90 pip EUR-USD to the long side. Entry is here, buy order, SL move to break even plus. Every entry is like that by the rules. I have 4 rules to follow, and once the rules are there, the conditions are there, my alarm beeps. And when the alarm beeps, I look into it, and then I see if it is in my, according to my analysis, in the same direction of the trend. Like, for example, I have all the charts made for, like different pairs, like monthly chart like this, all the highs and lows and everything, and the weekly chart also like this. And then, possible direction above this number, below this number, all of that. So based on that, then I have a 40-minute chart, for example, Euro-Aussie. So Euro-Aussie 40-minute chart is like this, blah, blah, blah. Levels are drawn here from the weekly charts. And then I see the turning points. For example, this is a retracement here. This indicates all the way down. So it's probably going to make a turn. So if it is going to make a turn, then I need the entry. If I find the entry, then I'll take the trade. Simple as that. So I'm going to show you what happened today, but let's see, all the trades taken. For example, this is EUR-USD 20-minute chart. Entry was here all the way up to 90 pip. Then the second trade was on the same day. This was a pound yen and buy order here and 400 pip all the way to the upside. Euro yen, same thing, buy order here and 100 pip to the upside. On the 23rd. The 23rd, pound CAD, also beautiful setup, beautiful entry here, 75 pip, right? Now, on the 24th, what happened today? So this is the trade, the first trade I posted on the Telegram as well. You can see here, see this EA making a short on 7. Okay, so what is the reason of this, taking this trade from a 7-minute chart? This is a sell order right there. So you see this, the price is above this area here. What is this area? Let me show you my live. Okay, here. So for example, no, this is, okay, here. You see that? This trade, my 40-minute chart is this. So the price was here, and you see this area, 68.27, right? So 68.27, and it start to wobble here. So I said, this is a weekly high. It's a nice level. So I said, maybe, we're going to have a turn. If I'm going to have a turn, then I will see the short entry on a 7-minute chart from 40 to 7. So from 68.27, so I look into the 7-minute chart, and I found this entry, and it is like you can see around 68.10. 68.10, right? So 68.27 is right after 17 pip. I got the entry. Price turned to the downside, and this is the entry now. Right, this is the one I posted on the Telegram here, that EA making a short on 7, also GA as well, right? So GA is also, involving Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar start to get strong, and these two pair go down when the Aussies get strong. So this one, and then you will see the pound Aussie. See that? This is also from bullish to bearish, and then the entry is there. So I got that entry based on my 40-minute chart turning point. It makes the turn, and then I got the entry here for 90 pip. Then also pound Aussie as well, and that is also posted here. Right, later on I posted the trade 65 pip, which is right there. Right, then again it went up, and I had a 25 pip chart here, small chart here, right, and then again it went up, and then I got that 20-minute entry here from the other computer. It's the other side. So I have like 40, and then 7, and then later on 20. 7-minute entry came. The first one was here, second was here for 25 pip. Then what happened? It usually makes the turn and then retrace for a 20-minute setup. So the idea is that from 40 You get in from 7-minute chart, 50, 60, 70 pip, cash out immediately. And then wait for the 20-minute chart. And then once you have that entry, then you take that and then finish the whole swing. So this is 40 to 7 to 20. That's how it is. So I got this one here. And then, yeah, so these are the trades that I took. And let me show you, for example, 40-minute chart of pound Aussie. Where is this? See, pound Aussie, it was also, it was here, right? So it is at 93 right now, 9,300, the monthly high. It is a monthly high from the monthly chart of pound Aussie. So I placed that on my live chart, which is, let me see, where is it? On the 7-minute chart, pound Aussie is right there. And 9,300 is right there. So you see the price was a little above that and then slowly came down. Everything, all the EMAs turned to the downside. These indicators were right here. This is the entry. This is the entry. These two are the entries right there. And I posted on the Telegram. I took it all the way down. And then the second 25 pip was this one. And then third, the 20 pip actually was this one. Not this one, probably this one. I don't know. But it's on the other other account, other computer. It's not here. Right? And then this is what happened today, right now. But it was already so much down that I didn't bother. In Asian session, I hardly take the trade. So I will wait for, London session to open, and then I'll see what is going on. Like I said, the 20-minute, 40-minute chart, you see this a big drop all the way to 90.35. It might retrace. Already the reversal candle is there, but the time is not good time right now. It's 12 a.m. So even though if there is an entry, I'm not going to take it. I will wait for 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock in London session. Then I'll see that if pound is getting strong, then yeah, I'll go long if I find a long entry. If not, then it might just go to 91.54 and then make another reversal candle and then go to the downside. I will be all over it. Right. So this is how my system works, from my analysis, weekly analysis, monthly analysis chart, which I provide to my subscribers when they subscribe. All of these charts are written down, all the numbers and everything, because the price do nothing. It do nothing but travel between these two, all these numbers, highs and lows. The weekly high, weekly low, monthly high, monthly lows. They are very important. One number breaks, the price goes the other number. So I draw this on my 40-minute chart, and then from there, my entry chart, 20-minute and 7-minute. So this is the idea. From 40, as soon as it makes the turn, I look for 7-minute entry, which you see these little wick, these are the 7-minute entry. From here, 70, 80 pip, cash out. Then wait for what, this is what I did from here, down here today, and then from here, all the way from 68.27, and I got almost 90 pip trade from here. Unfortunately, this thing never gave me a 20-minute entry. Pound did, pound Aussie. Right, so pound Aussie 20-minute entry, but if you look at it, let me change, where the heck is the 7-minute chart? Okay, let me see. If this is a 7 euro Aussie, I'm going to change that to a 20-minute chart, which has 7 brick size. 15. So let me see if I can, whoops, sorry. I have to increase a little bit of these brick size, candle, number of candles. And then you'll see that the price dropped straight, never gave me an entry. See, it never gave me a 20-minute entry. So boom, straight to the downside. I just got the 7-minute entry here, and then I cash out for 90 pip. And after that, no 20-minute entry. So sometimes some pair, when they're moving fast, you don't get this 20-minute entry. But most of the time, yes, I do get the 20-minute entry. All the trades I showed you, mostly you can see that they are 20-minute. So this is 7, this is 7, and this is 7. But see, this is a 20-minute entry. This is a 20-minute entry. This is a 20-minute chart. This is a 20-minute chart. Right? But sometimes, like I said, that when the price moves very fast, if you have 7-minute entry, just hold on to it for 70, 90, 100, 120 pip trade, easy. All right, so this is how it works perfectly. It's just a matter of, get to know it and learn how to use it, right? And for that, if you know exactly, like how to maneuver in MT4 and, been using maybe, 3, 4 years, 5 years, then you can very, very easily understand this. If not, then I have one-on-one course as well where I teach not only this system and how to make the entries, perfect entries by the book, and then give you the alarm, the E and all of that, but also teach like harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, all that, as support resistance, how to, draw them proper SNR levels or trend lines and all of that. All right, so if you like what you saw, you can go to my website. This is the name of my website, creativetradingsystems.com. And then from there, you can subscribe or sign up for one-on-one course or whatever and take it from there. All right, so this just wanted to show that how nice and clean by the book. According, you got to plan your trade first and then trade your plan. Simple as that. So I had the plan, and it's a lot of other plans as well. These are not the only one, but you cannot concentrate 10 pairs or 20 pairs at the same time, right? Whatever going in your direction, maybe 2 or 3 entries a day, and that's it, 70, 80 pips each, and you're done. For example, pound yen, if you look at the 40-minute pound, see, it was making a turn from here. I knew it, and I had the trade with that, but I closed it like a 40 or 45 pip, which usually when I make the 40, 45 pip trade, I don't even make the chart and I don't even show it, right? My charts, the one I showed, at least has to be more than 50 pip. So it was coming down here, and let me show you how beautiful the entries were, right? See what it was making a turn from 40-minute chart. Let's go to 7 and see, did we get the 7-minute entry? Let me see. Pound yen, pound yen. Look at this entry here. This is today or no? 1024, like that. Beautiful entry. But I closed it right around here somewhere. Less than 40, like it was like 40, 45 pip because I had to do some other things. And then it went all the way down here. And how many other entries? This is the entry. This is the entry. This is the entry. And then again, even from here to here, this is what you're talking about, is like 35, 36 pip. If I had not closed this one, I would have gone all the way to 80 pip trade. Similarly, I had the euro yen, and I also closed that early. This was the entry, and then boom. But I closed it somewhere here, I guess. And then I had to go to sleep and do other things, right? So, yeah. So this is the system where you can make very, very clean, clear-cut, solid entries. Yeah, I get, my SL hit sometimes, but my SL is always 25 pip at the time of the entry. For example, here's the entry, here's the SL on top of this high, right? The price goes a little bit in my way, I sit on a break even. I move my SL to break even. And if then, let's say, for example, if I made an entry here, right? And then it goes down a little bit, I move my SL a little bit, and then it goes and hit my SL. Thank you very much. No problem. I'll take the next entry. So not only I cover the loss, if I lose 10 pip here, 15 pip there, 25 pip there, you can easily recover after taking. So, everybody, the price wobble a lot of time, right? So it can hit your SL without any notice, right? But if that happens, but if you know what you're doing, if you have your analysis already, for example, here I have it like that. This thing is supposed to be, as long as it stays below 68, 62, it's going to drop all the way. So we are now back to 65.97. Even we are at 60. See, that was 65.54 some level. So we are there right now, right? Break that, and we're gonna drop to maybe 64.35 and even more, right? So that's how it works. So like I said, if you want, you can go to my website, creativetradingsystems.com, and take it from there. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading week.